Hi friends, welcome to my magical hands. In today's video, we are going to see the Kachni style fish motifs. In Madhubani painting, fish motifs are commonly used, especially in khobar type of Madhubani painting. Fish motifs are widely used. The fish in Madhubani painting signifies the prosperity and fertility. When the artist comes to explain about the wealth, they are using fish motifs. First type fish, first draw the curve like this. Down part also draw the same curve. Now we are going to make the tail. Just make the curve like this. Now our fish tail portion is ready. Then draw the double line to the fish shape. This is the uniqueness of Madhubani painting. To make the eyes, just draw the circle. Inside you fill the circle with black to give the real eye look. Now we are going to make the mouth area. Just I draw the curve. This is the partition between the head portion and that scale portion. I make the double line. In between I am going to fill the portion using Kachni style. Now I am making fin portion. Just I make the curve like this. 3 or 4 you make. The same also you repeat on the down part. Now I am going to fill the tail portion using Kachni style, that is lines. Just a slanting line on the tail area. In between I am going to fill straight lines. Next I am going to make the scale portion. Just I draw the big scales. Then around I make the double line. Then I make a double line to divide the big scale and small scale. Now I start to draw the small scale. When you start to draw the second line of small scales, in between two semicircle, next semicircle will come. This gives the nice look to your scale area. Fill the scale area like this. In between the face and the body portion, we have to fill the checked design. The fin portion I am going to fill using the lines. You can use either straight line or a slanting line. Another side fin also you fill like this. Now I am going to show you the second type of fish motif. First draw the curve like this, then draw the down curve like this and extend the down curve to make the tail portion. 2 or 3 curves you make like this. Now I am going to start the fin portion. Down part also I am going to make the same fin. Next we are going to move the eye area. To make eyes, you just draw the simple circle. Here you have to see the change. Just I make the different mouth here. Just I draw the double lines to separate the face and the scale area. Then I draw the small semicircles like this. Now I just fill the tail area using the spirals. You can use any other fillings also. Lines, dots or circles, semicircles, spirals, you can use anything. Just I fill the alternate tails using spirals. Now just I am going to fill the fin portion. Just I divide into 4 to 5 parts. Depends upon your fish size, you can divide. Down part also I am just going to divide into the same equal portions. Just I fill the fin portion using slanting lines. I just fill the alternate portions. It gives nice look. Same you repeat on the other side also. For fill the scale area, I just draw the curvy line in the center of the body part like this. I just fill that semicircles alternatively. You can fill with lines also. It gives nice look. Next I am going to fill that middle part using lines. You can fill with check also. The scale portion I just draw the dotted lines like V shape. This gives a different look to the fish. For a Kachni style filling, you can use any lines or dots, anything. As a final, I just highlight the outlines using the thick markers. You can use any thick sketch also. I just highlighted the outlines. It gives nice look. I hope all are like this video. If you are like this video, like and share with your family and friends. Subscribe my magical hands. Press the bell button to get future video notification. Happy crafting, no tension. Bye bye.